How are people making $1 million on Upwork with one skill? Imagine the following. You've decided to dip your toes into the world of freelancing. You're hopeful, maybe even a bit excited about the prospect of earning some extra cash on the side. Like many freelancers starting out, your expectations might be modest. A few $100s a month would be nice, right? But reality doesn't always match our expectations. After 2 weeks of hustling away at various gigs from data entry to odd jobs, all you have to show for it is a meager $43. It's a bit disheartening, to say the least. You find yourself wondering if this whole freelancing thing is worth it. However, instead of throwing in the towel, you decide to take a step back and reassess your approach. You realize that to succeed in freelancing, you need more than just luck. You need a skill that's in demand and pays well. So, you set your sights on logo design, figuring it's a niche where you can showcase your creativity and potentially earn a decent income. Fast forward a few months and you've made significant progress. You've gone from scraping together $5 gigs to charging $20 per project, and eventually you're commanding a respectable $50 per hour for your design work. It's a testament to your determination and willingness to adapt and learn new skills. But here's where the story gets really interesting. Along your freelancing journey, you stumble upon a few individuals who aren't just making ends meet. They're raking in millions. Let's take a closer look at 3 of them. First up, we have Anthony Agresti, a seasoned graphic designer who's been freelancing for over 14 years while also holding down a full-time corporate job. Despite his busy schedule, Anthony's freelancing business began to take off, outpacing his day job in terms of earnings. Eventually, he took the leap and founded his own design agency, Upwork, which has since become a thriving venture, pulling in over $1 million on platforms like Upwork. Then there's Josh Burns, a familiar face in the freelancing community thanks to his popular YouTube channel, where he shares tips and tricks for success on platforms like Upwork. Josh's expertise lies in Microsoft SQL Server services, a niche skill that's in high demand. With a stellar track record and a reputation for delivering top-notch results, Josh commands an impressive rate of $150 per hour, propelling him into the ranks of 7-figure earners. Last but certainly not least, we have Evan Fisher, whose freelancing success story reads like something out of a dream. With total earnings surpassing the $2 million mark, Evan is proof that with the right combination of talent and strategy, the sky's the limit in the world of freelancing. Specializing in pitch decks and consultations, Evan consistently secures lucrative projects ranging from 4 to 5 figures each, cementing his status as a true heavyweight in the industry. Now, you might be wondering, how can you replicate their success? Well, it's not as daunting as it may seem. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you chart your own path to freelancing greatness. Step 1. Learn a valuable skill. Whether it's programming, graphic design, copywriting, or SEO, the key is to identify a skill that's not only in demand but also aligns with your interests and strengths. There are plenty of resources available online, from tutorials on Google and YouTube to paid courses offered by industry experts. Take the time to hone your craft and become an expert in your chosen field. Step 2. Put in the work. Success in freelancing doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to put in the hours. Take a cue from the high earners we've discussed. They've all logged hundreds of projects and thousands of work hours to get to where they are today. Treat each project as an opportunity to learn and grow, and don't be afraid to push yourself out of your comfort zone. Step 3. Gradually increase your prices. As you gain experience and build a solid portfolio, don't be afraid to raise your rates accordingly. Focus on delivering exceptional results and providing value to your clients, And don't underestimate the power of positive reviews and referrals. Before you know it, you'll be attracting high-paying clients willing to invest in your expertise. Step 4. Consider diversifying your income streams. While freelancing can be a lucrative venture in its own right, there are plenty of opportunities to expand your horizons and increase your earning potential even further. Take a page out of Anthony and Josh's playbook and explore additional revenue streams such as selling courses or building an online presence. By diversifying your income sources, you'll not only mitigate risk, but also open yourself up to new opportunities for growth and success. So, in conclusion, freelancing is more than just a way to make a few extra bucks on the side. It's a pathway to financial independence and professional fulfillment. By following in the footsteps of successful freelancers like Anthony, Josh, and Evan, you can unlock your full potential and build a thriving freelance business that generates millions in revenue. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take the leap and embark on your own freelancing journey to success. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.